The mayor of Vinton is here all the time. He's one of my biggest supporters. Him and his family have been in here since day one.
Nobody loves Vinton like Vinton loves Vinton, and believe me, Vinton loves this place.
My favorite place to come to in Vinton.
And Vinton's a great place to live.
Welcome to the Vinton Café on Lee Avenue.
Yeah, Vinton loves Vinton, so the Vinton Café.
Owner Carrie Ann Campbell cut the ribbon on this joint in November 2025 with her husband Todd and son Jake. But it wasn't her first time working inside this historic space. She managed Our Daily Bread for several years before it closed. Saddened and not sure what to do next, Todd served up a bold idea.
My husband just said, why not you? He's like, that restaurant's empty now. Why don't you open up something? If you would have asked me a year ago, would you open your own restaurant? I'd be like, no. Like, the risk in that is astronomical.
But family is worth that risk.
I've cried. So many days I spend in here crying because I still can't believe it. It's one of those pinch me, this is real situations.
Any meal you want, all day, any time of the day.
And soon we'll be open for dinner, so which means you can get your French toast for dinner, burger for breakfast. There's no rules. I can't tell you what time it is in your tummy, so.
Unusual, delicious food every time. You can't find it most places.
Thanks to Todd's skills in the kitchen.
He has a passion for food. If there's 365 days in a year, he feeds me 364. We recently started putting pickled onions on our avocado toast because people have been asking for them, and Todd was like, I can pickle onions.
In experimentation, Todd's like, yeah, I want to do some pickled onions. Oh, those are sweet. I love this sourdough bread.
The bread comes fresh from Our Daily Bread Bakery in Blacksburg. It's the foundation for many creations, like the French toast loaded with bananas and walnuts.
So this, by decree, is a healthy French toast.
I have a smoked salmon benedict, so we did keep the hollandaise theme going.
Topped with red onions, poached eggs, and capers.
A homemade hollandaise sauce is to die for. This is different, this is special.
A personal favorite of Todd's, and he's made it at home for years. It's the Café Cuban, served on Portuguese sweetbread.
Everybody in the back raved about this Portuguese sweetbread. Whoa! Talk about sweet and savory.
Paired with homemade potato soup.
This potato soup is hearty.
For something different, they're turning out homemade crepes.
So we take our crepes and we fill it with a sweetened cream cheese. Basically tastes like cheesecake. We've got a blueberry compote that we make ourselves, and then we put fresh strawberries all over it. And voila.
I don't know of a lot of places you can find a good crepe. Vinton Café's got one.
If you're looking to break away from that chain coffee, the staff around this joint can whip up several house specials like pumpkin spice.
It's fall, y'all.
Before you go, grab a homemade dessert or one of many different goodies in their gift shop, showcasing more than 10 local artisans.
And we have so many talented, creative people, and I love giving them an opportunity to showcase those items. And the town of Vinton just loves that kind of thing.
Approaching that one-year anniversary, plans already underway to expand to dinner hours and even add a back patio for parade viewing and outdoor dining.
So we're excited to have the patio as an extra space where people can be at for those kind of events and just enjoy outdoor weather, and eating outside is more fun.
Because when it's all said and done, Vinton loves Vinton.
I think if you come here once, you're definitely going to come back again. And if you've only been here once, you're going to leave feeling like family.
My Carrie Ann and the people here, all the girls that work here are just lovable.
Vinton Café, a hometown eat serving good food for good people.